Authentic Italian carbonara. May fumo.
Ilaw pa eh.
Cheers! Kita nyo? He's very tall. And he's very handsome. Okay? 50%. Magandang kayo. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat, mga bossing. Yan. So, magluluto tayo. Magba-barbecue tayo. So, nandito kami ngayon sa ating Kangen shot. Meron tayong bisita galing ng Germany. Ayan. Nosebleed. Nag-i-English na si Mrs. Tomahawk. Ha? Ah! Yeah. Madali ang luto naman tayo nito. Ha? Pwede na yan. Tapos may salchicha naman para mabilis tayo.
Salmon, madali lang naman yun.
Oo. Unahin mo natin yung mga matatagal. Katulad itong manok. No? Ito medyo... Ha? Yes!
Don't drink beer.
German is number 1 to the beer.
Yan, nagkakabusan ng English dito. Okay, so papakilala ko sa iyo ang aming bisita. Okay, team, I would like to present you with my friends internationally. Yan, kita nyo. He's very tall. And he's very handsome. Okay? 50%. My princess. Smile naman. Cheers! What's cheers in here? Ha?
Toast.
Fox. Yun na. Okay. Okay. Hi, team. Mag-grill tayo. Ayan. So,
My husband and me.
vlogger daw. Ayan. Then, gagawa tayo syempre ng ating pinagmamalaking classic, no? Authentic carbonara. Ayan.
We're not very good in
No,
either.
in the Philippines. All the Philippines.
Pagluoy, meron tayong 300 viewers. Salamat.
So,
Okay, ano sabi niya, bakit kayo nag-English? Saan kayo lugar, idol? So, nandito kami sa Italy pa rin. Yung nga lang, syempre, meron kaming bisita na galing sa Germany.
Hello everyone, pa-shout out po yan. Inday Batangueña, hello.
Garlic. Eh, hindi pa naman natin nuluto yung carbonara. So, habang naghihintay tayo ng oras, gawin mo natin itong gawa mo tayo ng mga sauce, no? Him, do you like garlic? No. But you know why? But because Italian hate garlic. Majority, they don't eat garlic.
for bad odor.
No, yes, it's for naiis lang ako sa ipare. So, set aside natin tong garlic. Okay, gawin naman natin yung sibuyas, no? Isa. Yung dulo, iwanan nyo, huwag yung sasagad para hindi siya nag-ihiwalay, no? Then, tap nyo lang dito sa dalawa. So, ito lang yung tira ng sibuyas dahil nga nagamit na kanina ni paring natin, no? So, ito na lang. And then, dito. Yan, ganyan lang. Yan. Para pag-cut ninyo, diba? Okay na siya. Mix na siya, di ba? So, siya natitira, cut like that. Ito, kung gusto nyo na mas mabilis pang ganyan, yung pipilihin ninyo, gano'n. Gano'n lang. Okay? And then, lagyan natin dito. Yan. And then, syempre, yung style kong gano'n. Yan. Pero syempre, kung gusto nyo na mas mabilis ang way, pwede nyo naman kuha nyo ng ganyan. Diba? And syempre, ito na lime. Ang lime lemon. Pag tayo yung spring onions, no? Yung chipoloto. Ito. Okay? So, yan. Tagalin natin. Team, you eat spring onions? Okay. And ito nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, para mas mabilis, ganyan na lang. Yan. Soy sauce. Pepper. Lagyan natin. Para may portion sweetness, no? Hi! Hello, Ma'am Inday Batangueña. Hello, anong meron? Wala lang, Kasi may bisita kami. Bumisita kasi yung boyfriend ng aking anak from Germany. Ang ibig sabihin, ngayon lang kami may time, biglaan, pagkataas ng 7:30. So, takbo kami. So, buti nga, nandito sila paring Adri at nandito rin si Magandang Buhay. So, maraming salamat ngayon sa ating 400 viewers. Team, I have 400 viewers right now. Wow.
Very nice.
Thank you because of you. Ang isa pang sauce na gagawin natin. Yan. Ang pepper, hindi mawala yan. Pepper lagi. Bigyan natin ng white pepper. Yan. Lagyan natin ng bawang ulit, garlic. Yan. And then,
Wala siya takay.
yan. Lagyan natin ito spring onions. Hindi mawala yan. Yan. Lagyan ng olive oil. Lagyan natin ulit ng soy sauce. There's other guy. And then lagyan siyempre ng Maggi Aroma. Baka naman. Ha? Open na po yung ating stream ads, no? So baka naman, ha? Lagyan natin ng sinat. Lagyan natin ng stretch. Ano? Okay. Tutuin na natin yung ating carbonara. Dito tayo. Ha? Total, hindi pa naman nakulo yung ating tubig. So, pecorino cheese, gagamit tayo. Okay? And then ito yung parmesan cheese. So, ang ginagawa ko minsan 50-50. Team! First, we put this spaghetti. I did. It's 500 grams. So, we also have rice. No? So, we only put 500 grams. Okay, that one. Okay, it's 7 minutes. Then, we also put salt. And, syempre, guanciale. It's a pork cheek. And then I use yung ang gagamitin natin, we use the pan cold because we need to render the fats of the guanciale. We put in the pan without oil because we need to render the fats. You put oil, Tim?
Yeah.
When you cook, no?
We put it. I just
You don't need to put. Okay?
We are beginners. We are beginners, so we have to do
Okay, so you can stay around and watch me how to cook this.
watch the monster.
You can say master. I know how to cook, but I'm not a master in cooking. Okay. So what time is it? So we can 7:50.
No,
8:50. So 8:57. It's already cooked. Okay. Okay. See that? Okay. And then we put the garlic. Optional. Then you crack it. You can also put the. Okay. Wow. Amin yun na. Habang nagre-render ka ng fats, gagamit tayo ng black pepper. Yung whole corn pepper. Ang gusto kasi buo. not the grind one. And then we put here in mortar pestle. Then you crack it. And when you smell, you can smell the perfume. The aroma. We need to fry it until golden brown, no, and crispy, and surrender the fats. Look the difference. You can smell it. No? Bango, no? Then we can put it here. Yeah. It's already past 7 minutes. No, not yet. We prepare the eggs. I put 500 grams of spaghetti, so we only need 5 yolks, egg yolk. 1. So in 50, 2, 55. So another 2 minutes. Are you sure?
Earlier it wasn't 50, it was 55. No, 52.
Okay.
I'm wrong. Now it's 55.
4. And then we need to fry that guanciale until it's crispy. Okay, we put salt. A little because the guanciale is already salty. Okay? And we put also the pecorino cheese. And the Parmesan cheese.
But the beauty is better.
Wow. Look at that one. Crispy. Ready? You can smell it. Okay? Then you need to slow down the heat dahil masusunog because it will burn. Then we mix it until a cream. What time?
56.
56. Okay. We're in time. We're in time. Nakita niya? Cream. No? We take out the garlic. Garlic. Okay. Now, we need to take some water.
Water.
You put some water when you cook carbonara. Okay, you put it here. So, i-strain na natin yung ating spaghetti. And we also turn off the heat because we don't want to the egg will fry. Okay, so okay, look at that. It's crispy. The oil. No? Yummy. Okay, and then we put here the spaghetti. Mix it. We put the water. Wait until it's cold because we don't want that egg will fry. Now we put the eggs. Here we're always happy. Okay. pasta is ready. Lick the sauce. Huh? Oh, sorry. Now we put here. At that. Okay. Ah. And then we also put that there. If you want more some cheese. Okay na? Yeah. Timing. Ready na, no? Yung ating classic, authentic Italian carbonara. Ayan, kain na na. Kamusta kayo dyan, pre? Okay lang kayo, pre? Grazie mille, pre. Buti na lang.
Amoy fumo.
Amoy fumo.
Ilaw pa, ilaw pa.
Ba't amoy fumo?
Siyempre na.
Yan, hindi na masusunod yan.
Hindi.
Ito, baka gusto niya itong isda. Okay.
Yeah, isda,
Ayan,
okay.
meron pa tayong salmon at meron... Pare, baka mapasok ka,
Ay!
pre. Ayan.
3 minutes lang yan, ha?
Ah.
Luto na yan, ha? Baka
Hindi,
makalimutan,
balikan.
masaseka yun.
Balikan na natin, pre.
Balikan na lang.
Oo, babalikan natin.
This chicken is
Okay.
to
Yan.
more
So,
cooking.
kakain na kami. Yan. So, nagdudugo ang ilag ko kay paring Adrian.
So,
My nose is bleeding.
no, very nice is the chicken carbonara.
Kain tayo. Italian. Authentic. Classic. Italian carbonara. Ayan. Nawala lang ako. Nawala yung mga viewers ko, pre. Ayun, no, kita mo, pre. Lumapit lang ako, pre. Bila naging one now, naging nagkaroon bigla ng isa.
Delicious. Delicious and I love it.
Bon appetitor. Cheers.
I don't know what to do. You want rice? I cooked too much rice. 1 kilo. Because my husband told me to have no place of.
May pasta na, wala. Dapat okay na ng rice.
No, she told me. Wala ka ng pesto.
Natin ang sauce. The sauce,
Where do I begin?
Tin.
Baka malagyan mo pa.
Hindi kasi yung sauce ng sa anong beer.
Kailangan.
Okay, because first,
Nino.
Bueno.
you need some,
Pwede.
Okay, ko lang siya kasi.
Sisi.
stock. You put the, formaggio.
Calder.
Formaggio.
That's no place.
So, at least, lagyan mo na ng formaggio stick.
What is
You
this?
can put cheese.
What is this?
Ay, nasa si ano, si pangalan.
RJ in Valentino.
Barbecue.
Abar. Yung pare isda. Yung isda. Hindi isda.
Salmon.
Salmon is already cooked. Very nice. Not
Compatible sa...
not compatible. Kapag delicious.
Pasta siya ng pasta ng ano, ng formaggio.
Ha?
Ito formaggio.
No, carbonara pa.
This is the al dente pa. Salmon.
Shall I promote you,
Dito,
ah?
sinusunod ko kasi ang oras niya.
I'll promote you.